All right, here we go again.
Hey everybody, that's Robert.
That's Julie.
And it's our thing.
Yeah, we don't care.
No, we don't.
We don't really care.
We don't care what people think.
Hey.
You know what? We are out to have fun. That's all we're doing.
We're having a good time.
Anyway, like we've been doing for our firefighters Blue Angel Tree. And teenagers often get shuffled in the mix. They're not seen. They're not thought of because, they're teenagers, whatever. But you know what? Teenagers have feelings too, just like adults do. Anyway, we're going to put kind of a boy-girl together because it's not a lot. Because next week, we'll probably do a little bit more on a teenagers type thing since we've done a little boys and a little girls. And we'll probably do more of a teenagers theme. And we'll probably go to somewhere different than Dollar Tree.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, probably Family Dollar or
I'm thinking going to Aviva.
Yeah, we could do that.
We buy a whole bunch of T-shirts and stocking caps and stuff. So anyway, look out for next week and see what we do then. But we've got some plans for doing some stuff for Christmas and holidays and stuff. And this helps support, like she said, the Blue Angels tree that our friends over at Fire Station 6 across the street.
And the police do it also.
It helps out.
Also, we found out today that Dollar Tree has donation boxes.
Yep.
So you can purchase your stuff at Dollar Tree and donate it to them, and they donate it to their charities.
Exactly.
So I thought that was kind of cool. Because we'll probably end up doing that with some. Because this year, it really touches our heart because everybody's had a hard year.
It's been a real rough year.
Everything is going up. The food, the families are struggling.
Gasoline.
Taxes.
Yeah. Eggs. I don't know if you bought eggs lately, but eggs are steep. Eggs and bread.
This type of stuff helps, and it's really dear to my heart because I have grandchildren, or we have grandchildren, and I've always been there in their life. Well, I'm not in their life anymore. Long story, short of a version of it, they kicked me out of their life. I didn't kick them out of my life. I just stepped back. And I know that they go through hard times, big time hard times, especially where it comes to adults not caring for them. I can't say which adults care, which adults don't care. It's not my story to tell.
It's rough being a kid.
So I've always done for my grandchildren. He's only been in their life, 5 years?
5 years.
5 years. Mm-hmm. And it's our biological child's.
Yeah.
So whoever sees us now knows we have a child together.
There you go. How do you like that?
So anyway, so I have them kind of in mind when I pick this stuff out, and I miss them, and I just want them to know I love them dearly. But anyway, so enough was said with that. So what I did, because all teenagers, even if it's a track phone, most teenagers nowadays have phones. Well, I got 2 phone grips for them, one for a guy, one for a girl, or for them both girls. Doesn't matter. They're pop sockets. And these are pretty good. Oh, this is a circuit, e-circuit. This is like the one that over there at Five Below. That's $5.95.
Oh wow!
And I got it for $1.25.
Hey.
Then what I did was I picked up some earphones. Even though most kids have either, what are they called? Earbuds and stuff. Some kids can't afford it. And most phones have a jack that you can take and put a jack in their phone. If not, you can actually buy, if it's an iPhone, you can actually buy the attachment for this.
Yeah.
And so they're just simple earphones.
Okay, the problem was not with your set. The problem was with the camera, and we ran out of disk space.
Yeah.
So
So anyway, what we were saying was that we got these. These are compatible with most smartphones. Smartphones. So, and they've got microphones on them, so they can answer calls on them and everything. So they're kind of cool. Mm-hmm. Then the last thing that we got for the guys and the girls are socks, ankle socks. These are for the guys, and they're gray and black and red and green. But these are for the guys. They're pretty well, they're good, sturdy. Feel them.
Yeah. They're pretty heavy. Yeah, they're not bad.
And then we got the girls some, of course. We got splattered paint and then white with purple. And that's it for the girl haul and the teenage haul. But we also, I'm going to go ahead and do this in there.
That's fine. Let's do that in there too.
So we got some, I got some stuffed animals. Because what baby doesn't like stuffed animals? So we got...
You got a moose.
Is it a moose?
It's a moose.
Got two
mooses. The mooses is looses. They smell like mooses?
Oh, no, this one's supposed to smell like chocolate.
What's that one smell like? Vanilla?
Chocolate.
White chocolate. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't see that they smell like chocolate.
They've been in a Dollar Tree for a while, so they probably don't smell like anything.
Then I got a little bear.
That's kind of a cool bear.
Yeah, it's got a little bell on the foot.
Yeah.
And then we got a unicorn.
Just for that unique individual that's in your family.
Gotta have a unicorn.
Yep.
A little puppy dog. Oh, it looks like a Winnie Poop.
Oh, are you sure it's not Holly Pop?
No, that's not Holly Pop. That's a Winnie Poop.
Okay.
Those are my grandnieces. My grand fur nieces. My great grand fur nieces. Then I got two baby dolls. Blue and pink. You know, this stuff was under $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $9.50. And then the teenage stuff was under 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Was $10. But this is, you can get these for the babies. And these are good stocking stuffers also. And, you know, what baby...
you just crunched their head. Ow.
What babies don't like to play with stuffed animals? You know, when they're laying on the floor, crawling on the floor, whatever. You could even use this for your dog. Then, we got our babies. Some little...
They love these little mice.
And they love balls to throw across the floor.
I bought one of these, which I thought they would really love, and it was cool. And they did really love it, but the problem is I sprayed it down with catnip before I gave it to them. They loved it so much they ripped it into shreds. Mm-hmm. So, shame on me, but I learned, we're going to give it another try and see what happens. But they liked it.
That's our haul. Oh, and I got some little clips. For, you know, you can put baby clips in their hair. But that's our haul, for the most part. We got Kleenexes, we got his root beer, we got,
super glue,
some makeup wash.
Some hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah.
We got some normal household stuff along with it,
but our main thing was to go and get for the Blue Angel tree. His sister, loads it up in the van. And then I take it over to him, or we take it over to him. It's
literally across the street, just about. So, I mean, it's probably, we're less than 150 yards from one of the big fire training centers here in town.
Like when his mom passed away and then COVID came around, I made 76 masks.
Yeah, something like that.
And I put Irving Fire Department number 6 on it, and because they helped a lot with his mom.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, they set up her breathing stuff when she came home. They set it up because the Visiting Nurse Association was supposed to be here and they weren't here.
They've done a lot of things. When she set fire to the kitchen and the oven, they came across the street and
looked in the oven. And said, "Yep, that's
the oven's
a flame.
on fire."
That's a flame. It was just one little flame.
Yep. But they took care of her, and what's funny is she told them not to turn on the sirens or anything like that, because we're literally that close. They made a parade of it, and turned on all the sirens and all the lights, and had all the fanfare and all that stuff. So
like the day that I fell, I told them don't call the 911 number. Just call the non-emergency number. Tell them they don't have to put their sirens on or nothing.
No,
just to come. No, to pull out, they have to turn their sirens on. Of course, we hear it, and I'm going, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed.
Yeah. So I mean, we love those guys over there, and
but now I can get myself up off the floor.
Yep. So things are really good, and we're happy with it.
When you lose over 160 pounds.
Yeah, because she was down to what, 204?
I'm 203.
203.
I was 373.
Yeah, so she's lost a ton of weight in the time frame. So
in 2 years.
2 years. So
2 years this January.
Yeah. So thanks to Fire Station 6 and the guys over there.
And the police department.
We hope this helps out them with their work that they do. And
look to see your local charities. There is also Hungry for Kids charity that
I know the Marines have something. Toys
they
for
have
Tots.
Toys for Tots.
Yeah.
So look around in your area and see who has charitable donations. Even like I said, the Dollar Trees are doing charity donations.
It doesn't take much to make somebody happier than what they were at Christmas.
If they got this, they would be happy because you know what?
Somebody
thought of them.
Yeah.
So anyway, but that's our haul.
Like and subscribe. It helps us out. We like making videos, even though we don't care.
Yeah,
when we're doing stuff on. And
we just, we do care.
We do.
But we have fun doing it, so we don't care what we do.
So we're just having a good time.
We might go around one night and look at Christmas lights. Just do a video of Christmas lights.
We're gonna go watch the cats tear this to living shreds. But like and subscribe. We appreciate it, and it helps us to make more videos. If you got any ideas, any comments, those kind of things, please leave them in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And any suggestions on something you'd like to see, that'd be great.
And also look for our new website. Well, they're old websites, but we're revamping them. We need to go in there and put revamp on them or something.
Revamp.
But I do crafts, and I've got the Texas Rustic Owl. I've got a Facebook page called the Texas Rustic Owl. It's like a garage sale site, and that's where I sell my masks and stuff like that on. But we also have Southwest Graphics, which Graphic Arts, is which we're going to do basically our printed T-shirts, signs, stuff like that on there.
Yep, and then every once in a while I'll do some. One of my things is to relax and piddle around with model railroads and stuff like that. So every once in a while I'll do some crafting stuff where I do with that, and I do that on the cheap, so you don't have to spend a whole ton of money.
We need a 3D printer.
Okay, she wants a 3D printer,
so we can start making train stuff.
Make train stuff, and I mean we do things. Is this the whole point of It's Our Thing is to show our life as it's our thing.
Yeah.
So that's what we do.
We've got 7 cats.
Yeah.
And
2 of them right there.
2 of them are in here. They're in the kennel though, because the girls went into heat.
And the guys, we had to separate 2 of the guys from 3 of the girls.
Yeah,
and it's a thing. And,
they're not fixed. They get fixed on the
6th and the 13th.
And the 13th.
It takes, believe it or not, it takes a while to get things organized and get the cats into see the vet and because there's a bunch of them.
We can deal with the girls in heat. We can't deal with the boys because once they start smelling the girls, they're going to start spraying, and I don't want that.
So we keep them separated until for next month. But this
2 weeks.
This is just it's our thing. It's our daily things that we do, and we hope you enjoy them. Like I said, if you have anything you need, give us a call on the comments or something. Say you want to see this or that, and we'd love to hear from you.
And be looking for our channels because Tasty in Texas is going to be doing new desserts.
It's like
new foods.
If you're into concert photography, Texas music especially, check out Robert C. Maxfield II Photography, where we cover a lot of Texas music in the area and some of the other things that we do. Once again, like and subscribe. That's Julie. Still Julie.
That's Robert.
I'm still Robert, and it's our thing. Thanks.
We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way.
Yeah.